Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code with Khan Developer. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn CSS variables. CSS variables are used to store values like colors, font size, spacing, and many more. Instead of writing the same value again and again, we can store it once and reuse it anywhere. This makes our code cleaner and easier to manage. Today we will learn three things: CSS variables, root, reusable styles. So let's start coding. First, I am creating basic HTML structure. I am creating here div. Class name is btn. Login. We have two buttons. Let's style them using CSS variables. Before creating variables, we need to understand root. Root is the place where we define global CSS variables. Variables created inside root can be used anywhere in the CSS file. Now I am writing here inside the style tag root. Let's understand this. Here I created two variables. The first variable store color and second variable store the white color. Instead of writing these colors again and again, we can simply use the variable names. Now let's use these variables. .btn. Here I am using var function. Inside var we write the variable names. Now the button gets the blue background and white text from the variables. See output. Button gets the blue background and white text from the variables. The biggest advantages of CSS variable is reusable style. Imagine you have 20 buttons on your website. Instead of writing the same color 20 times, you write it only once inside root. Then you use the variable everywhere. If you want to change the color later, you only change it one place. The color updates automatically everywhere. This saves time and makes the code easy to maintain. For example, if I change this variable from save and see, now every button using this variable automatically changes to the new color. I don't need to edit every button separately. This is why CSS variables are so useful. So that's it for today's video. Today we learn CSS variables, root, and reusable styles. Practice creating your own variables for colors, fonts, and spacing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.